Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see. Go directly to sellers for better commissions. How's it going, guys? Please don't forget to download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Now we are covering Atlas VPN. Atlas VPN sells virtual private network access. I would rank it as a great addition to most affiliate portfolios. Think about it. VPN keywords are searched more than 450,000 times per month. The average sell is around $39. Affiliates receive 65% per sell. By strategically using VPN-related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.